Alright everybody, welcome back. SGR Performance Part 2 tonight of Engine Forensics. So, we had to pry off the lifter valley cover, and I'm going to show you guys why here in just a sec. But let me turn the camera around, because boy did we find something. So as soon as we took this off, this fell out of the bottom of the lifter valley cover. That is a mix, everybody, of carbon and, well, you can see right there, it looks like it's a mix of carbon and probably the PCV grommet. So somebody pushed it down through, didn't pull it out. And that's dangerous, everybody, because why is that dangerous? Because this could fall down inside your engine. This could wreak havoc on your camshaft, the oiling system. It could clog up lifters and just cause you all kinds of problems. So let's put that out of the way and then show you the next thing that we found. So this is laying right in the middle of the lifter valley. Not sure exactly what that is. It's hard rubber, plastic, possibly a grommet block off for the valley pan. Yeah, not good. That is just slop. That's bad work, everybody. That's not what you do. That's not how you build a motor. That's somebody getting in a hurry, not paying attention to what they're doing. So let's set that out of the way. Let's grab a light and have a look. Okay, well, it still looks pretty clean overall. It is dirty, but this is what we wanted to show you, everybody, right back here. That is actually, can't tell if it's silicone or JB Weld. It's rock hard. It's not rubbery like silicone, and it's got the gasket just practically welded in place and welded the valley pan in place. It had to be pried off. That's not how you do things, guys. That is not how you do it. And then it's not as bad on the front, but there's some more right here. A little bit of carbon and sludge buildup. And you can see back there a couple of the cam lobes. Yeah, this engine had oiling issues, overheating issues from a bad build. And there you go. So that concludes our episode of Engine Forensics for tonight. Yeah, more, well, what we already suspected. We're going to try to fish whatever this is out of the cylinder head so we can see what it is and see what's going on. And then back at it. So thanks for watching, everybody. SGR Performance. Stay tuned. A lot more coming.